loose or disconnected wires can cause one or more functions of your equipment not to operate, or other kinds of unwanted operation. In most cases, the wire does not need to be replaced. If you are experiencing unwanted operation, first make sure all the wires are connected securely. Pay close attention to the wires that are part of customer assembly. The two connectors on the wire harnesses should click together at the catch. The connectors are keyed and only fit one way. They should not pull apart when pulling on the harness at the connection. You may find that a wire has been pulled loose or has come completely disconnected from one of the wire harness connectors. You can usually reseat the wires in the connectors. If a wire has come loose, press it into the back of the connector until you feel it click or lock into position. If the wire has come completely out of the plastic connector, it can be placed in the back of the connector and pushed on until it locks into place. Note that these wires can only go in one way. It is a good idea to push up on all the wires to make sure that they are all completely seated in the connector. If the wires have become damaged or do not click into place, then the harness will need to be replaced. If you need to disconnect the wire connectors, press the tab to release the catch and pull the two connectors apart. Try to avoid pulling the wires from the connector.